Sanibonani guys, usisi angibhalele I just want to vent nje. Ngifuna ukukhuluma kusenhlizweni yami, akithoke advice, akinidi advice ne. Cause this is my life and ngiyayitsi ukuthi ngiphila njani and ngitloyiphila like this until mina ngwalitaba ke lapha. Yabona. So usisi asingamjudge just ukuthi ufuna ukukhuluma nje okusenhlizweni. Awusisi uthi awushozi I'm married and ngishade after 9. But ngibone later emshadweni wami ukuthi lo muntu after 9 uthime no guy mina bengenza grade 12 wena beka first student sahlangana kanjalo kwabo ukuthi sathathwana sabala yabona uthi high life yahamba ubrothers I got pregnant, brothers vele wakhipha amalobola basawuthi sifuna indawo yethu ekibo bathi no sesebancane buyanizohlala ngapha uthi brothers kwaphe siyathola umsebenzi angisho uthi brothers emsebenzini so uyachata like namantombazana what is thing vele in party office uthi ngimbuza ukuthi I know ama colleagues wami nothing serious uthi I in party of site ngikhulume nomamakhe was like no uso vele uthanda ukuba nabangani bamantombazana uthi bengifila office ngale ndaba but ngaye ngisathi ukuthi ngcono ngiyeke uthi awushozayi uNkulunkulu vela asplace sithenga indlu nathi simuvela endlini yethu uthi awushoza masimuvela endlini yethu kuba ukuthi sengaqala ke ifana ukuthi ngianswer idlozi sengiba nedlozi ke idlozi ifana ukuthi ngiyathwasa awushozi my husband even though bengifeel ukuthi khona into of but beka umuntu ukuthi he's very loving beka loving towards me relationship yethu bemnandi bekumnandi nje relationship kumshadweni wami bekumnandi and bokumuntu ukuthi makasemsebenzini ubuye endlini akayemsebenzini asumuntu ohlala ngaphansi asimotho lestrata aselrastrata yabona so it was difficult ukuthi ungacukula umuntu uthi mara ngifila ngathi uyaganga but umuntu uhlala khona endlini 24/7 if angekho emsebenzini uthi okay sharp uthi kuba ukuthi vele ngianswera idlozi uthi beka loving very supportive abheka abantwana hayi ngathwasa ngaze ngaceda uthi awushoze after ngiceda ukuthwasa still bese loving so lang supporta ku every way la ngihamba khona beka khona so uthi hayi nami ngibe sengicala ke ngibe namathwasa uthi mangicala ngiba namathwasa inkinga icale lapho ubrothers seyaphithizela nestrata uthi brothers uhlala yangena yaphuma ubrothers yangena yaphuma uthi like even amaphupho kube ngathi ngiyamphupha uthi ngisitshela ukuthi you know what angathwaselanga lo muntu lo and angeke ngibe i-guardian angel yakhe nasemaphupheni phuphe ngayo ngoba uthi ngizitshele like that uthi ayikwenzeke ukuthi one day a birthday yakhe azikhiphe hambe ke uthawu mbekaye ku birthday yakhe makabuya uthi ngwashijini ine-sleep sinabantu abayi-ticket labantu abayi-2 ushithi i-couple ke yabona i-ice skating uthi ngimangala ukuthi ice skating angeke uhambe nendoda ku-ice skating insale fa kube nentombazana yabona uthi vele ngimbuze ubrothers vele like angadinayo uthi angihambile what if ngihambe nendoda yabona so uthi ngithi kuye ngithi no it's impossible I don't think ukuthi uhambe nendoda yabona uthi guy athi ya ngihambe nentombazana le enye uthi usisibuke nomunye sisi bekathanda ukuza like azomncedisa ukuthi amathasa adinga in afuna uhamba cause angeke ubasheba yi-1 yabona so uthi athi le ntombazana le as much as bencedisela endlini beyincedise izingubeni songilele naye is like it's nothing serious yabona ugele uthi ngithatha ifoni le girl ngimbuza ukuthi wena no baba kwami in ugele athi hey mina ungangifaka emshadweni wakho cause I can see ukuthi this person is trying to use this thing ukuthi to get to you yabona shuthi baba ngilo something yabona uthi hayi ngiphume kuyo uthi hayi kwenzeke ke one time aphuma ayuphuza idlozi lemlahleke uthi guy ifoni uyibeke la ifoni ayingalokhanga i-light deal so ulibetho ikey yaskelem le 666 libetho ikiller phone so uthi usisimathi ayibamba vele athola ukuthi ifoni ayingakhiyanga usisi uthi mangivula ifoni ku Facebook Messenger mangithi profile picture umfana uthi the guy akhuluma naye ku Facebook ku Messenger uthi guy ufine or awusuze ufine mushumane linamba engamjola uthi guy ufine so uthi the first message ayibonile ebhaliwe ukuthi Palestine I've enjoyed myself I wish we can do this again wabona uthi scroll message phela ngifuna understand ukuthi yini le enjoyile cause this guy le ebhale lo message ubhalela my husband yabona uthi ngiscroll ngithi message i-message ekhomisa ukuthi abantu laba bayi-2 baku relationship asidi friends ke message yabathu abaratana bale ngi-2 usisi uthi le 666 livukele umeni wami uthi maliphaphama uthi vele ngimuthi ngefoni ngimbuza ukuthi yini le, what's going on, because I can see ukuthi lana neflatter, what's going on, about are you buy about. So guy was like, no, it's not like that, like he's just my friend in usisi uthi already sengithatha ama screenshot phela proof, sengithatha proof already uthi no, he's just a friend, so don't stress yourself about this thing. Uthi I was just indlule uthi okay kwenzeka ukuthi the same yo mama mbekagula vele uthi ngivele ngihlokomele mama ka ngimhlokomele. Unfortunately umama shone, umathi wakhona vele senqa uthi a week later my husband apathe this funny flu singa understand ayimbuka ukuthi umuntu ahlangahlangana simo uthi esibhedlela masifike edoctoreni bathi lo muntu lona akakhona ukuphefumula yablokeka ki emergency asama ngesibhedlela. Sifike esibhedlela vele bam attend masinga vele kube emergency kube machupu everywhere vele bamfaka ICU. This part usisi uthi okay right after before ubrother sazogula uthi ubrother se manje mabasekamareni bahleli ama phone calls angena amadoda sekufonela amadoda sibahleli like ba enjoy isikhatha bobo yithu. Uthi hayi vele kuthola ukuthi phone umuntu akhulume nomuntu athi you know what mang free ngizokufonela emanyana sizokhuluma drop phone. Or awushozi ngijabula ukuthi umuntu kahle kahle sayenza abangani babafana uphumile emantombazaneni kanti lesikhatha zogula ngaso ke agule I see bamfaka ama pipe and stuff like that. Uthi friend emanyombheka ubrother ngimphathile phone yakhe ukuthi no fonele emsebenzini fonele abantu bakho like your friends everyone bazi ukuthi awuse right uthi hayi vele kufona umunye umjida vele afone kubuye ukufona uqala afone uthi this guy bengimazi mina like yabona we yabona bekamngani wakhe uthi vele afuka vele afone bakhulume vele bathi uthi the sister afike eroomini athi no lana se ICU asivuma ama phone so sisi ngicela uthathe telefone le yabona uguy uthi asosikisa sorry phone kan uguy beha WhatsAppele the guy lo fine ku Facebook abuwa ngilena yabona uthi uma ngisaphethe iphone kuphope up imessage uguy usende i-double D usendele the husband with 666 uthi kule picture le kubhale ukuthi dala ungayibona into yakho I miss you zidala yini inizongipha yona nini kuthe picture i-double D esende the friend ebathi friend yabona uthi sisi like in sort of side afonele friend that no lo muntu lona akekho uyagula ko ICU in stuff like that yabona. So uthi vele inhliziyo kuvele or atlale so or kebwele back ngibele back ngaphakathi ewadini uthi leso sikhathi bekahleli nomama yakhe namazali bakhe kahle uthi ngifike ngithi ngicela ukuthi utshela abangani bakho ukuthi thatha ifoni yakho ufonela abantu bakho batshela ukuthi usesibedlele and cela lana ulokho ifoni yakho zina ukuthi angina the password zahawo yabona stuff like that. Uthi makayivula ubrothers akathi click akayivula uwela phezu kwale picture uthathi bosechi phone ugirl was like ngesikhathi sokuthi ngisechi phone yakho ulana esibedlela into ongayicabanga nalo ngicela ukuthi ube right abantwana bakho bakumele endlini ukuthi ubuye uthi cela ngatshela abazali ngathi nizongithola ngaphandle. Usister so brothers alokhe phone uthi ayilokhe but be on like ingangena ama calls ingangena ama messages and stuff. Uthi umntwana umfana bekazi password kaba bakhe so uthi bekafunda izinto zakhe ze homework because bekasebenzisa usebenzisa ifoni yakhe uthi iPhone vele ingalokhi but ifoni vele uhamba sister sami naye but bengakhali bengangena ama messages mara be on ubona or any password bengayazi. Uthi hayi kanti umuntu ubudalasi uthi uthuki ukuthi ngifind out indaba zakhe ebusuku but umuntu alahlangahlangana bamtsho ukuthi almost lose your husband iza ku private room sizochazela almost umuntu umluza bekaphethe heart attack and stuff like that. Usisi awushozi in everything lo muntu lona ubuyile endlini si right we can talk we can work together and stuff like that. Uthi but asihlanganele izungu we don't talk izinto ze relationship mina no brothers ake bato motlohela like itlo bangari ke montsha motronko he can do whatever he does cause endlini uyangisupport uyangipha imali yami allowance abantwana uyangipha allowance ami uyakuthenga ukudla endlini or awushoze ngawubotsa so ki therapist marita batsaka lyambhala because of this guy after 9 kamohetse or monna ka also and I'm not willing to leave my relationship or umshado wamanje because angizofila ngathi ngimupha i-free bill so alnehona mo unsupport because he's just a good father when coming to abantwana and nasendlini nje alright inkinga ukuthi asisayi but ngifila lonely because of akena motho otlohontse hathe hisang angba malang tseking ga khona but ukuthi ngimrelease this man I will akahlale la nami ahwele dibi tsa hae. Aishe